Hi tech enthusiasts, today's special is all about the latest tech information you need to know. Today we're diving into a common concern. It can be quite easy to find out how to get back a deleted Facebook account that was deleted permanently. This is how to delete Facebook. Accidental deletion, change of mind, a step-by-plotting guide for both. First of all, we want to know more about the existing recovery policies of Facebook. Deleting your account is irreversible. Facebook offers the account holder a period of 30 days before they cannot reactivate the account. If you sign into it again before this time, all your records and account information will be recovered. To begin the recovery process, the person needs to enter the previously used login details within 30 days. This can be done either through the app or their online website. After the user has successfully entered her login details correctly, Facebook will ask the user to complete the reactivation process of her account. You can proceed with the following instructions to perform this process. It is vital to follow the steps that appear on the screen. But if for any reason you are unable to within this 30-day period, then don't panic. However, it is still possible to try to reclaim the account by clicking the Need Help link and getting in touch with the Facebook support. Suggest to go to the Help Center, where there is option for account recovery. Here in the account recovery section, you will be able to fill a form for your request. It is recommended to fill the form to the best of one's ability and provide an account number and a reason for recovering the account. Once you have completed your request, watch the email linked for the given Facebook account. Facebook support team will only get in touch with you by email in relation to the status of your request. Recovery processes may therefore take some time to go through, hence the need to be patient. Although it is recommended not to directly engage with support after a few days, you can follow up through the support channel after some time. And there, you have the cookie with cream and cherry on top recipes. Although you may have misplaced your Facebook permanently thinking you will never get it again, the following are procedures to get back your account. Just to remind you, the rapid actions in the first 7 to 30 days is very important if you want your business to recover easily. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and also ring the bell to be subscribed to Tech Library for more tutorial videos. Thanks for watching.